Here's a little tune for you. You might remember this one. It's the Piano Man, Billy Joel. So, question is, how do we play it? C harmonica. First note, 5 blow. If I give you the first few notes, you should be able to pick it up. For 5 blow, so 5 blow, 5 draw, and 6 blow. Let me just check that. Yeah, 6 blow. So it's 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. There's your first 3 notes. Can you work it out? I don't want to give it to you entirely on a plate. Let me play it slower. You should be able to see from my face, am I going up or down the harmonica? And am I breathing in or out? Should be able to see. Can you see that? So you know that's 5 blow. Can you see that's 5 draw? And from there, can you see where I go next? I've gone up 1 hole and it's blow. So I'm playing blow 5, draw 5, blow 6. And you can see my cheeks moved there, but I didn't move the harmonica, so it must just be an in-out on that note. Can't remember exactly how that last bit goes, but it's something like that, isn't it? And then I just added a bit of tongue blocking. So I like to take a tune and then make it my own, just mess around with it a bit and take ownership of that tune. I would recommend you do the same thing. Okay, that's it. Bit of Billy Joel. Thanks a lot. See you later.